Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, install Visual Studio 2022 with the NET desktop development workload enabled. Select NET Framework 4.8 as the target version during installation or project creation. Allocate at least 5 GB of disk space for Visual Studio and related tools. Enable Windows Forms templates and optional components like New Get Package Manager. Restart your machine if the installer requests a reboot to finish component configuration. Open Visual Studio and verify the Windows Forms app. NET Framework template appears. Sign into a Microsoft account for easier template and extension syncing across machines. Keep Visual Studio, choose File New Project and pick Windows Forms app. NET Framework targeting 4.8. Name your project, set a clear folder location, and create a solution. Use controls like button, text box, and data grid view and set properties in the Properties window. Arrange controls using docking, anchor settings, and table layout panel for responsive layouts. Double-click a control to add a click event handler or use the Events tab in Properties. Reference new Get Packages or local DLLs for extra components and test them in the designer. Save often and use source control like Git for safe versioning and collaboration. Run and debug with F5 in debug mode and switch to release for final builds. Set your startup form in project properties before running or publishing the application. Use breakpoints, watches, and the output window to diagnose runtime issues efficiently. Publish using Click Once or create an MSI installer with Visual Studio installer tools for managed deployment. Configure app. Config for settings, connection strings, and required permissions as needed. Test the published output on a clean Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine to verify behavior. Ensure target machines have NET Framework 4.8 installed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.